Hey there, this is again a question from HKCE, HK Certificate Level Examination 2003, Paper 2 Multiple Choice, number 41. The question concerned about a quadratic equation where the roots are supposed to be alpha and beta, and it would look for the value of alpha squared plus 3 beta. Just by looking at the question, formed with alpha and beta is actually a great hint that this is about sum of root and product of roots. So you need to remember for quadratic, the sum of root, alpha plus beta, is supposed to be negative b over a. So negative b is negative 3, so negative 3 over 1, a is 1, so it would be 3. And the product of roots, alpha times beta, would be c over a, so k over 1. Now just from this, it would seem that it's still a little bit hard to get what the question wants, alpha squared plus 3 beta. Okay? The main idea is that it is not symmetric. That makes the question much harder. What is meant by symmetric, right? If the thing is symmetric, the idea is even if you swap the position of alpha and beta, you basically get the same thing. Even if like 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta, these are the normal question for sum of root product root, right? So they are symmetric. Okay, that makes the thing easy to find. But for this one, this is obviously not symmetric, so this makes stuff harder. To actually tackle this question, you need to remember one other principle about roots. Okay, when we're talking about roots of the equation, it means if we substitute alpha and beta into the equation into x, it should fit. It should give you 0. So that's a great meaning. That's basically the definition of root. So we plug this in, like alpha squared minus 3 alpha plus k equals 0. We may as well plug in beta. Okay. With this, it would seem it's a little bit more possible to deal with this question. Why? Because we can see alpha squared here. So to try to do this, let's try making alpha squared the subject from here. So it's like alpha squared equal to, we change 3 alpha to the other side, so plus 3 alpha minus k. And what we can do is we can substitute this into what the question wants. The question wants to find the value of alpha squared plus 3 beta. And alpha squared is given by this 3 alpha minus k plus 3 beta. We group the term. So from now, you should see that we are almost done. We've tackled this problem. We factorize the 3 out, alpha plus beta. This is exactly the sum of root, which is found to be 3. 3 times 3, 9. The answer, 9 minus k. So that's it. That's option C. This is it. This is my breakdown of this question. It was obvious that, from the wording alpha and beta, this is a question about sum of roots and product of roots. But even with those, it's not enough mainly because what they want is not symmetric. So we would look to another property or another definition of roots, which is if we plug that in, it should fit the equation. From that, with a little bit algebraic skills, we can do the question. So that's it. Hope you can do it too.